This is an auto backup adapter for auto backing up your iPhone, iPad, and Android mobile phones. It is so helpful and convenient that you can charge your phone and back up all your photos at the same time. It comes with a branded microSD card. You do not need to pay every month for a backup. The red USB-A port is special for smartphone, while the black USB-A port is special for USB flash drives, which gives you extra option to backup. Please do not get confused. Please install the dedicated app iStore Pro from App Store on your iPhone or iPad before using. Please make sure the microSD card is well inserted. If you want to back up the data into USB flash drive instead of microSD card, please insert the US flash drive into black port in this step. Please note that the USB flash drive should be inserted into the black port. Please insert the charging cord of phone into the red USB-A port. Please be well noted that into red USB-A port and make sure the charging cord can well charge for iPhone or iPad. Plug the auto backup adapter with charging cord connected into the power adapter. The LED will light as a regular charger. Please connect the other side of charging cord with iPhone. Charging starts, which triggers auto backup. All the photos, videos, and contacts in the iPhone or iPad would be auto backed up into the microSD card. Please be well noted that automatic backup will not start if there is no charging mark on the iPhone after connecting the charging cable. Please replace the charging cable or power adapter to troubleshoot the issue. For Android mobile phone, please make sure the OTG connection function is turned on. You can check in the settings, additional settings, OTG connection. Please install the iStore Pro app from Google Play Store on your Android mobile phone. Connected with charging cable, click OK to open iStore Pro to handle Android AOA. Click Allow for charging, file transfer, etc. This auto backup adapter also can be used as a micro SD card reader on computers. You can easily transfer the backup data into computer. If it doesn't work as above when you well connected the auto backup adapter, power adapter, and your phone, and the phone is well charging, it may be you don't click allow in some steps. That means this auto backup adapter doesn't have access to visit your mobile phone. In this case, you can delete the app and reinstall again and try again. Now, you don't need to afraid if you lost your phone, especially you have a lot of pictures on your phone that you want to keep forever. It is the best device for backing up your photos. Let's start the auto backup now.